Left's better, yeah. Higher. Come on.
Yeah, right there. Come on.
Pull it. Nice. Go first. You can, perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, I got that hold. Alright, now. So.
Yeah, match your hands up there.
Match?
Yeah.
Nobody's got a better foothold.
Just go for it and pull yourself. Bring your body closer to the wall.
There you go.
Two hands there.
Alright, out to the right is a super good hold. Nothing out to your left.
At the right?
Yeah, see that grass?
Oh, yeah.
Get over there.
Oh, yeah.
There's a high right foot.
Yeah, very high right foot.
You got it. Nice! You got it, come on, reach it.
Nice job.
There you go.
There we go.
Alright, that's the hard part.
Okay. Ah, yeah.
Hi.
Here, say hi again now.
Hi. Why you zooming in on his ass?
Mm-hmm. He sometimes peeks his head over.
Huh?
He sometimes peeks his head through. Stefan, peek down.
Hey,
Wave.
how's it going?
Six Clemson. It's a pretty good day.
Ah, I'll cut myself short.
Cut myself short.
That's what your mom said last night.
Is that new is what she said?
What?
Is that newer than what she said? I like silver, that's what she said.
It's just what I say.
Did your mom heard you telling?
What?
Did your mom heard you talking like this?
His mom?
Your mom.
My mom?
What does
Oh,
his
yeah,
mom have to do with it?
once or twice.
Really? What did she
Yeah.
say?
I was like, I like mumbled it.
Dum, 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 dum.
Oh man, I feel better. Hungry. Thanks, Phil.
Charlie, you burned your back. Really badly.
Was it the smell? What happened?
Huh?
You smelled your hand after.
No, I killed it.
On your butt? Nice.
Yeah, it's a lot of mosquitoes. Don't you feel it?
Yep.